Good morning, friends. I, Professor Maya Bharde, presently working in Rajarshi Shavamarath Polytechnic, Nasik. So, today we are study production drawing. In that, we can study fit, tolerance, types of tolerance. So, let me start. So, introduction. So, what do you mean fits and limit and tolerance? So any production process, how well the design or how carefully it is maintained for certain amount for variability will be always exist. So the natural variation are random in nature, so the cumulative effect of small essentially uncontrolled causes will occur. Usually variability arises from improperly adjusted machines, operated error, tool, wear and defective raw materials. Such a characteristics will be generally large. Such a characteristic will be generally large as compared to naturally variable variabilities. These variabilities are part of random or chances causes pattern is referred in assignable causes. So characteristic variation are be attributed to assignable causes that can easily identify and control. So this process kept under control with the help of size variations, and this size variation within prescribed limit. So some variability in dimensions with certain limits must be tolerated during manufacture. However precise the process may be, the permissible level of tolerance depend on functional requirement which cannot be compromised. So no component can be manufactured precisely to a given dimensions. It can be lie between two limits. Upper means maximum, lower means minimum. The designer has to suggest the tolerance limits which are acceptable in each dimensions used to define the shapes and form. Ensure the satisfactory operations. So when the tolerance allow sufficiently greater than two process variation, so it consists of two limits, plus or minus 0.02. This is the example of diameter of 40. So 40 plus minus 0.02. So what do you mean tolerance? Tolerance can be defined as the magnitude of permissible variations of a dimensions or other major value from specified value. It can be defined as the total variation permitted in the size of dimensions. So it is algebraic difference between upper and lower dimensions. So the basic purpose of tolerance providing in a permissible dimensions, that is a variation in manufacturing components. So if high performance of a sole criteria, the functional requirement detects the specification in tolerance limits, otherwise choice of setting tolerance. So in a manufacturing component equipment in a industries accurately approved with the help of standards such that ANSYS, ASME ANSYS means American National Standard and ANSYS means ASME means American Society of Mechanical Engineers. So how the tolerance is important? It is very important related to production component. Specifies tolerance zone. So what do you mean tolerance? The tolerance divided into four parts, namely unilateral, bilateral, compound and geometric tolerance. So in syllabus we have considered only two tolerance, unilateral tolerance and bilateral tolerance. So what do you mean unilateral tolerance? When a tolerance distributed only one side, uni means once, only one side, so it is called unilateral tolerance. In other words, tolerance lie only one side of the basic size, so it is called unilateral tolerance. So this some example 40 only plus side, plus 0.02 plus 0.01, upper limit lower limit in 40. So basically unilateral tolerance lie only one sides. So next is a bilateral tolerance, when tolerance lie either side of basic size, both sides plus or minus. So some example given there, In other words, the dimension of part varies on both sides. So basically expose on both sides. So this is a unilateral and bilateral tolerance. So thank you friends for your concentrations.